Hey guys, today we are going to Kailashgiri. Kailashgiri is a very scenic place and not at all crowded. We will get to see famous cave temples which are at the foothills. We will get to do off-roading when we try to reach to Kailashgiri peak. And the last part of the reach is around 40 minutes of trekking.
बोल बंसी वाले की
We are following Google Maps, as you can see in the top right corner of your screen. It is around 2 hours journey. We will take National Highway 75 via KR-Puram, Hoskote. Just after crossing the Hoskote, we will leave National Highway 75 and take State Highway 82 and then keep going straight. Google says we are 10 kilometers from Kailashgiri Hills. We will leave highway and take a left turn from here. It's kind of unbelievable view because you can see the bottom half covered in the cloud and top half is clearly visible. We have taken a break at Ambaji Durga Reservoir. It's few hundred meters from the foothills. It's very nice and scenic. We stretched our legs and enjoy the view of hills submerged in the layer of cloud. From the reservoir, we will continue on this paved road. It will take us to the Kailashgiri cave temple, where we will go and see the temples. Just before that, we have a off-road trail where you can take your vehicle till the Anjaneya Swami temple. We are going to enjoy this off-road trail in our Thar. From here, the off-road trek ends and the trekking starts. It's around 40 minutes trekking. You can see in the map there are still marks. It will take us to Kailashgiri Betta and Aishwarya temple, which is at the top of the hill. Due to COVID, the caves were closed and we have to see it from the net, but in general you can go inside and enjoy the caves. We have started our off-road trail. We have opened our Thar and now we are moving on this unpaved road. We are moving up the hill. There are many places on the trail where you would really like to stop and take a moment to enjoy the beauty. We have reached Anjaneya Swami temple. Here we have parked our vehicles. And from here we are starting our trekking. On the way there are very steep stairs. We are climbing them to reach top. Finally, we have reached the top at the Kailashgiri Betta and Ishwara temple, and the view from here is mesmerizing. Trek is steep and it is bigger than it looks from the bottom. We didn't carry any food or water, and by the time we came back from the trek, we were hungry and thirsty. Overall, it was an amazing experience and a great one-day escape from Bangalore. To follow us on more such journeys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.